There's really two ways they're feeling that. One is that they see that we're making a visible push towards keeping them safe. That vulnerable environment is one we can't do a lot to control, sitting out on the roadway taking care of those crash victims. So working to do everything we can to leverage that piece of safety, I think, is important. On the other side of things, we're hearing from agency leadership and our providers that we have helped set the stage with this technology for them to move into telehealth, which is something that in our more rural areas is really desperately needed. That connectivity is going to provide that next level of care in homes and in facilities in outlying areas to help us keep folks where they want to be and still provide the care they need.
Got it. And that's where some of the technology that we've talked about, not only the cellular connectivity or potentially other modalities of connection, but also the Wi-Fi in these enabled. So if it doesn't, the benefit doesn't start when they're in the actual ambulance, it starts when they're potentially in the home by using the Wi-Fi connection back to the vehicle. So this whole command central really takes shape and organizations are able. I wonder if you could touch upon what you're seeing there and how organizations, what you see their use extending into the homes even.
Yeah, that was one of the original use cases for deploying this technology. And so, working with our partners, finding the right antenna that would extend that Wi-Fi signal a distance where they could still, remain connected while they're addressing the patient in their home was a problem to solve. And I think, again, through carefully selecting the right equipment for the job, we were able to accomplish that pretty effectively.
Got it.